there guys, we're at the Langley Green level crossing in Greater Birmingham. She goes off when I am talking to Colour 5. Down, down. Nice alarm. Bang, bang. She did bang harder that time, but she didn't bang last time. So there we go. Now the time is, I need to get the one with the correct time because the clock on that one's glitchy. Time now is, hopefully right, 10:11. It's not focusing, it doesn't like the crack in the screen. Anyway, I just put duct tape over the top because the glass kept falling off. 10:12 on Saturday, the 23rd of January 2016. This is 4. Wrong side. My phone's on one. The iPod's on the other one, yeah.
It's for a train.
Yes, we know that, Matthew. We know it's for a train.
And it's for a London Midland train, not Chiltern Railway. It's Chiltern Railway. Ain't running
This
for a
is
while.
for the 10... Oh, right.
Only run in the evening and
The 10:14 to Sierra 24 London Midland service from Sowerbridge Junction to Stafford upon Avon. Expected arrival 10:13, and this is also for 10:14. I think this is a pass. It's not an arrival or anything.
Probably not.
10:14 to Keeler 11 London Midland service from Whitelocks End to Kidminster. Expected past 10:14. Right, I did it. I actually. Thank you. Yep, some kind lady just told me this train was coming, and we've got 172344. She should double stay for the other train.
Right, over here, Adam.
Where? Where are you?
Behind you.
Oh! Callum's just...
Okay, switching my phone off now.
There's Colour 5, everybody! He's just entered the call. Colour 5 is ready to film for today. Diddly-doo, diddly-doo. Hello, I had to do that. Sorry, I was jumping then. I just went insane. Here's the duct taped iPod. It took ages to do. Perfect. Colour looks annoyed. Alright. What gigabyte is your camera? Because mine's a 16 at the moment. Alright. Right, Langley, this alarm is very quiet and I was fearing it was going to be loud, right? She's not coming. I can't see it on the station side, Matthew. Right. Yeah, Matthew. I can hear something coming. I don't want to get hit in the face. 172215. Up they go. If they do, up they go. Thank you, level crossing.